You're listening to the Core Factors audio library, spoken versions of Core Factors articles and research created to support accessibility and for listening on the go. This piece is titled AI versus Coaching: What's the Real Difference? The following narration reflects the original content and intent of the written article.
AI versus coaching: what's the real difference? Why this question keeps coming up. AI-powered coaching assistants are getting more attention, and with that attention comes a reasonable question. If an AI tool can offer feedback or prompts, what's left for a coach to do? It's a fair concern, but it rests on a misunderstanding. AI is not designed to replace coaching. It is designed to support it. To understand the difference clearly, it helps to look at what each actually does and what only humans can do. Why AI feels so comparable. AI tools offer something that feels coach-like on the surface. They are available at any time. They can respond to questions, reflect assessment results, and suggest next steps. Participants can engage when it fits their schedule. They can revisit insights between sessions. They can keep momentum going without waiting for the next meeting. Because of this, it can seem as though AI is stepping into the role of the coach. But that assumption overlooks a critical distinction. AI can support development. Only humans can coach. What AI actually contributes. AI coaching assistants are best at structure and consistency. They can work with validated frameworks, reflect assessment language accurately, and prompt reflection in a way that reinforces learning. They help people slow down, think clearly, and connect insight to action. This makes AI especially effective between sessions. It keeps development active when the coach is not present. Evidentra was built specifically for this role. It draws from Core Factors' proprietary models and curated knowledge base to help participants revisit insights, clarify takeaways, and explore practical next steps. It does not improvise philosophy or offer opinion. It reinforces what has already been introduced through professional practice. What only coaches can do. Coaching is not just about asking good questions. It is about relationship, judgment, and presence. Only coaches can read nuance, tone, hesitation, emotion, or resistance in real time. Only coaches know when to push, when to pause, and when to let silence do the work. Only coaches understand context deeply enough to adapt in the moment. Coaches bring empathy, intuition, cultural awareness, and ethical judgment. These are not features that can be programmed. AI is not self-aware, it does not feel tension, it does not build trust, and it does not hold responsibility for outcomes. Those elements remain firmly human. Assistant, not advisor. A helpful way to think about AI is as an assistant, not an advisor. The coach sets direction, builds insight, and guides growth. The AI helps reinforce that work between sessions. Like a fitness app supporting training between workouts, AI keeps people engaged and consistent, but it does not replace the trainer's expertise, accountability, or relational insight. In this model, the coach remains central. The AI simply helps the work continue. What this means for coaches. Rather than diminishing coaching, AI can actually strengthen it. When used intentionally, tools like Evidentra help coaches maintain momentum between sessions, reinforce learning without adding meetings, scale programs while preserving depth, support reflection without overextending themselves. Most importantly, AI highlights the value of coaching by handling the repeatable reinforcement, freeing coaches to focus on what only they can do. How Core Factors keeps coaches at the center. Evidentra was designed from the beginning to serve professional practice, not compete with it. Practitioners control whether and how it is enabled. All content is grounded in Core Factors' validated assessment models. Participant conversations remain private and are never visible to practitioners or third parties. The tool exists to support insight, not override professional judgment. Final thoughts. AI assistants can make development more consistent, more accessible, and more sustainable, but they cannot replace the human connection at the heart of coaching. When used well, AI strengthens coaching by extending its impact, not by substituting for it. If you are looking to increase engagement, reinforce insight, and support growth between sessions, an assistant like Evidentra can play a valuable role. while your voice, expertise, and relationship remain central.
This concludes the audio version of this Core Factors article, and you can find the full written version and additional practitioner resources at corefactors.com.